Did you know that one of my favourite days of the year is coming up in February half term? Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's Pancake Day. I've got a very easy recipe here and I'm going to show you how you can make your own pancakes at home. You need 100 grams of plain flour, 2 large eggs, 300 millilitres of milk and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. First, measure out 100 grams of flour. Then break in 2 eggs. Next, measure 300 millilitres of milk and pour that into the bowl as well. Finally, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Give it a really good whisk until it's nice and smooth like this. Now you can heat up some oil in the frying pan and take a spoonful of mixture and put it in. When it starts to move about in the pan, that means it's ready to turn over. One side is cooked, and now the other side is cooked, so you can put it on your plate. A little bit of lemon and a bit of honey for me. Roll it up, and it's ready. My other favourite topping is chocolate spread and banana. Delicious. Roll it up, and now all that's left to do is eat it. Happy Pancake Day!